Hi, my name is Jatan Taneja. I'm actually from India, New Delhi. I came to University of Salford in January '09. My course is MSc International Business. The reason I chose University of Salford was because of the place called Manchester, because I'm actually from New Delhi, that is the capital of India. So I know the importance of living in a big place. So that's why I chose University of Salford. In my view, Manchester is the ideal place for the students. It's not too fast, it's not too slow. Because if a place is too fast, then for a student it's get very difficult to settle in, and it should not be too slow also at the same time. Then students start to feel homesick and everything. So I think Manchester is the right place in that regard, and also in terms of opportunities, I think, because as Manchester is one of the biggest places in the UK after London. So I think you have more opportunities. You have a bigger network to interact with people, to communicate with people, and also lots of international students, when they are thinking of coming to pursue their studies overseas, they are also thinking of a part-time job, and in that regard also there are lots of opportunities for students, part-time and full-time. My experience in at studying in Salford University has been really good. I think all the facilities provided by the Salford University, like student life, career, job service workshop, intellect program where local students tries to help an international student to settle in the UK, has been tremendous. Support from the supervisor, support from the faculty has been really good. In terms of socializing, I think Manchester is probably the best place. I've been to all the places, like I've been to the universities in Birmingham, London, but I think Manchester is probably the best place. Uh, if I've, in the end, I would say that the highlight of my being my Salford time in the would be celebrating Diwali and Holi with my British and European friends. That was the highlight of my time at Salford. Thank you, cheers, all the best.